Airspeed sensor. Let's start with the airspeed sensor. I use analog differential pressure sensor and solder it in accordance with manufacturer's recommendation. Airspeed is the most important speed for the airplane. GPS speed isn't useful in detecting stall. Signal from the sensor will be split between Pixhawk flight controller and my FPV cockpit. But before I feed it to the cockpit display, I need to write some code for Arduino to map the raw value from the sensor. And this is some low quality video from the test. The displays don't flicker with the phone camera, and hopefully they won't with DJI camera. Part 2: Fuel cap issue. After reading some forums and hearing feedback from you folks, I decided to address the fuel cap issue. Some plastic caps, when exposed to fuel for prolonged periods of time, become brittle and might disintegrate, creating potential danger. I scuffed the cap for adhesion and applied layer of JB Weld to create a barrier for the fuel. At the same time, the glue will not let the cap to get loose and unscrew. Part 3: Air intake. The carburetor intake is situated too close to the firewall. To solve this issue, I drill a hole in the firewall so I can add 90 degrees PVC fitting pointing up, grabbing the air from the outside. Part 4: Some primer. Applying primer to some components makes me feel like I'm closer to the end and gives me motivation to keep going. Also, I can do some body work while I'm waiting for other components to set or cure. That's all for today, and more coming soon.